Hi there. 200 million. Yes, 200 million is the amount which has been set aside for the swearing-in ceremony of the President-elect of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto. I've just been reading a Business Daily article which details how the National Treasury in Kenya has set aside 200 million Kenya shillings. That's approximately $2 million for the swearing-in ceremony of Dr. William Samoei Ruto next week. And by the way, this comes immediately after the Supreme Court unanimously dismissed the petition and the arguments which had been put forth by Raila Odinga, which actually set the ground rolling because Dr. William Samoei Ruto was officially recognized as the President-elect of the Republic of Kenya. And out of that ruling, it was clear the country wasn't going for a rerun or even another election because William Samoei Ruto had met the threshold required to be declared the president by the IEBC chairman. What do you think about this? Do you think the 200 million is a lot of money? Or even, do you think the 200 million is little amount of money for the swearing in of the incoming president of the Republic of Kenya? And also, if you haven't yet, remember to subscribe. Join this channel for you to be getting daily videos on current affairs and how you can multiply your money. Thanks a lot for watching. Look forward to share with you other videos next time. Bye bye.